In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit templates in Notion. Whether you're using Notion on your web browser or through the desktop app, these steps will guide you through customizing templates to better fit your needs. Let's get started by opening Notion and ensuring you're logged into your account. To kick things off, you're going to create a new template. You can do this by clicking on Add a Page. Once you're there, select Templates from the options presented. For our demonstration today, we're going to use the Reading List template. Simply click on Get Template, and Notion will automatically generate a pre-built table, complete with sample data for you to work with. Now, it's time to delve into editing this template. One of the first things you might want to do is change the layout of your database. For example, if you're more comfortable with a list view rather than a table view, you can easily switch to it. In List View, each item is displayed as a single line, allowing you to click on it for more details. If you ever wish to revert back to the table view, simply make the switch in your database menu. Next, let's talk about customizing columns to better suit your specific needs. Each column has a header. For example, you may want to change the name column to title. This is done by clicking on the column header and simply typing in your new text. For any columns that track status, you can also edit available labels and their corresponding colors, making it easier to organize and visualize your data at a glance. Another powerful tool in Notion is the ability to group items by a particular property. Let's say you want to organize your content based on status. You can use the Group by Status function to achieve this, allowing you to categorize your items in a manner that enhances its visibility. Notion offers a variety of views beyond just table and list. There's Board View, which presents your data in cards that are grouped by a property. Gallery View is another option, which showcases your items as individual image tiles. Perfect for visual-heavy content. List View, on the other hand, provides a streamlined text-based representation of your data. You can toggle between these layouts or even create entirely new views depending upon your database menu options. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to edit and customize Notion templates to perfectly match your workflow. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in unlocking more of Notion's potential for you. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.